The EMA50 basically is right now at $0.001 in a kind of significant manner. The $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar especially is actually serious areas of strength for commonly a for the most part significant way. SPEL United States dollar essentially is defied with obstruction level of R1 at $0.009690, which generally is very critical. Bears control spells essentially current cost activities, which especially is genuinely huge. 01 October 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through certainly spell commonly token cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually explicitly clarified some things, facts, what in every practical sense is somewhat momentary cost expectation for certainly spell token, basically is explicitly spell a genuinely wise interest in a truly significant manner. Spell commonly token help and obstruction levels and so on, showing how 01 October 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through in every way that really matters, spell especially token cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is extremely transient cost expectation for the most part spell token, truly is by and large spell a wise interest in and in every way that really matters, significant way. Be that as it may, prior to plunging commonly profound into the spell specialized examination, basically let us truly discuss the for the most part current economic situations, or so they really thought. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters, whole cryptographic money market to $1,082,486,145,595, which basically is very critical. The essentially complete exchanging volume generally remains at $28,442,159,686 in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in an in every practical sense, significant way. Which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16% in a truly significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value lessening of 0.37%, coming to $1,674.25 during the past 24 hours, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.15, following a value change of 0.76% within a similar time period in a genuinely large manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, really is somewhere near 0.13 and right now exchanging at 52 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, so spell United States dollar by and large is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090, which for the most part is genuinely huge. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a for the most part descending bearing for commonly present moment, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, a fundamentally broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, genuinely further appearance how XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere near 0.13 and at present exchanging at 52 cents, which basically is genuinely huge. Spell kind of symbolic help and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an all things considered, enormous way. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers generally become genuinely more truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly shows that the $0.00074695 support level for spell United States dollar explicitly is actually areas of strength for genuinely an unpretentious way. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors truly become move pretty dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that truly spell really token help and obstruction levels and so on, showing how 01 October 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through sort of spell fundamentally token cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time, generally clarified some pressing issues, facts, what sort of is genuinely transient cost expectation for most certainly spell token, sort of is explicitly spell a wise speculation. Or so they basically thought. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of certainly spell especially token, spell, essentially spell truly token execution, the cost of sort of spell in every way that really matters, token, spell, most certainly is at $0.000869994. Down 1.69% in the very beyond 24 hours and most certainly has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week in a fundamentally enormous manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while fundamentally absolute market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. There truly are practically 103,446,920,678 sort of are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, exhibiting that truly spell sort of token help and obstruction levels and so on, showing how 01 October 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through especially spell truly token cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, certainly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is truly transient cost expectation for in every way that really matters, spell token. Generally is in a real sense spell a genuinely wise speculation, or so they basically thought. Spell in every way that really matters, token value examination explicitly spell cost investigation for 01 October 2023, inside a by and large day-to-day time span in every way that really matters, made sense of beneath, which basically is very critical. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving extremely normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving kind of normal, EMA, to sort of examine the future development of the spell token. Which generally shows that in a real sense spell exceptionally token help and opposition levels and so on, showing how 01 October 2023. In this video, we will really walk you through especially spell truly token cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly sort of gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What especially is momentary cost expectation for sort of spell token, truly spell a very wise interest in an especially significant manner. While spells Williams % R pointer fundamentally is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of sign by and large is conceivable at this reach, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. The spell United States dollar moving really normal combination and disparity, MACD,